Here's a reminder of some of the things to look out for when discussing numbers in Gaelic. An toseach a-mach. Remember that with a noun, ga becomes da, the noun lenites, and it takes the singular. Da chu, da hai. To dog, to house. The lenition also runs through to the adjective if there is one. Da chu veik, da hai vod. Larger numbers also take the singular. Fichit cacht, lichit bachte, kiet dunje, kiet mile falche. Measured amounts tend to stay in the singular, and that includes bliana when talking about age. So, shia bliana gúis, och bliana diag, trí bliana irichet. And in the teen numbers, the noun usually comes before diag, och bachtichin diag. This is the word order we hear in dates. In siatamh lá diag gin bhairst, the 16th day of March. Nui ciat diag, 1900, and nui of lín diag, the 19th century.